Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have 1 plus 1 times 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now 2 times 0 gives us 0. And now 0 plus 1 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So 1 times 0 gives us 0. And now we have 1 plus 0 plus 1. Now 1 plus 0 gives us 1, and 1 plus 1 gives us 2. The final answer is 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.